Hey y'all, I know it's been like a year, but in this video I will be testing the Makartt peel off base coat, and I had these nails on for like a month or two, I don't know. It was a builder gel and my nails were long, but I am anemic so they break easily. Anemic squad, whatever. So I can't really grow my nails out. I was just removing that. Well, I had removed most of it with the file like days before, maybe weeks, I don't know. So I was using a ceramic bit so it wouldn't cause too much heat or any damage to my nails. And I just took off like most of it, and then I went in with a hand file, but I didn't show that. The little pink phone holder to record, I got it at Five and Below, whatever it's called, and I didn't use it properly because you have to glue it to, or not glue it, stick it to your desk, and I'm getting a new desk, so I didn't do that. So those were my natural nails. They're thin, but they always are. So here are the products that we'll be using. I didn't really know what to expect. I looked on YouTube for other YouTube videos of people that might have used it, but I haven't found anyone else that used that base coat. And I googled it and it said that it should last 4 to 7 days. But of course, like that would be like all the pictures and stuff I saw was like on natural overlays, like gel polish overlays, not extensions. So I was like, well, I'll just test it with extensions. So I put a coat of it, cured it for 60 seconds, and I'm just gluing these on with some base coat because I figured that my glue wouldn't want to stick to that. So I just put my little flashlight in my mouth. I know I don't have one of those cool ones with the neck or whatever. I'm not that cool. And recently I've been like really loving Polygel because a lot of my clients have been asking for Polygel. I'm still an acrylic fan, but I don't know, I've been into Polygel. So I'm just cutting my nail tips, and I wanted to do them long to see how long it would last since we were going to do extensions. And this is my comfortable length. And also we were going to try a new Polygel that I got. I've tried Makartt Polygel and I love it. But while I was removing the shine from the nail tips, I filed the peel off base coat. So I added another coat just to the natural nail. And then I went in with base coat, and I really tried to focus that more on the tips and just like very little on my natural nail. It was an experience and experiment, but I really missed having long nails, and I hadn't had long nails since I went to Costa Rica and broke my pinky on the right hand, the one with the black nails. Ugh. I'll have to show y'all that video on a different day and tell y'all what happened on a different day. So we're using the Polygel Cake by Makartt, and it's like this creamy, shimmery beige color, and it's so pretty on its own. And I didn't want to do anything too intricate since these are gonna pop off eventually. And also I would have tested it with acrylic, but my husband was home and he doesn't like the way acrylic smells, and I had just got that Polygel, so I was like, oh well, whatever, I'll just try that. So don't hate me because I'm not great with Polygel. My application is obviously terrible, but I mean that's what e-files and hand files are for. Don't be too hard on yourself. I am the worst when it comes to being hard on myself. Sometimes it gets me down. That's why I sort of just quit YouTube for a while, because, well, I wasn't going to come back just because I felt like a failure, whatever. But my advice is just practice, and if you don't like what you're doing, just try again and try again. I have to remind myself because I am hard on myself. So if you're not very experienced with polygel like me, I mean, I am sort of, but not like great. Wipe your brush off a lot on the paper towel while you're applying it, because even though it might look clean, the color that you're using will be in the brush. So if you're gonna go with clear, slip solution will get cloudy. I'm just saying, make sure to be cleaning your brush off. Get that pigment out, because whenever I went in with some clear for the glitter ombre part, it was a little bit cloudy because I wasn't paying really much attention to my brush. Like, I would just wipe off the polygel that I could see. So just keep that in mind. And I started this set probably like around 7 in the morning. I wake up pretty early, and by like 10 maybe I was done, but I kept stopping. I had to make breakfast and drink coffee and, chores. I did order a brush off of Amazon. Also, I've been watching Nails by Vic, and she makes polygel look so easy. She only does polygel on her channel, and I would totally tell y'all to go check her out, because her videos are inspiring and funny. She's just so good at it, and it looks so easy. And when I tried it again, it was not that easy for me. My clients do like polygel and also gel, so I do a lot of hard gel and some polygel. That's why I don't really have that much experience. I had given all my polygel away because I was just I can't with the sticky. But I learned a lot from watching Nails by Vic, and she also has a brush that she uses, and I also ordered that one. I forgot what I was gonna say. Another thing is I had never tried the Makartt gel polishes, so I was really excited about that. The color is so beautiful. Ugh. Anyway, so here I was doing a hidden glitter cuticle. I should have done it on the plain nails, to be honest, but I didn't think of it at the time. Who the heck is calling me? Another thing is I should have gone a little bit more opaque with the cake polygel, just to make the ombre look better, but I also didn't do that. I love doing hidden glitter cuticles with acrylic. It's so easy, and it was a little bit more difficult with polygel. Another thing I forgot to mention is I did not prep my nails. The only thing I did was scratch the surface. That sounds terrible. Well, okay, let's just say buff the surface of my nails so that the peel off base coat could adhere, I feel like if I wouldn't have buffed my nails, they might have not have lasted as long as they did. And since these were just nails that were gonna come off, I didn't want to do a lot of designs or use any of my charms or anything like that. I keep forgetting what I'm saying. Ugh. Anyway, so here I'm adding the cake polygel to like the apex area and just blending it down into that gel polish. And it was not that hard just because it's more of a sheer polygel, but maybe if the polygel was more opaque, it would have been more difficult. So I repeated that on the other nails, but record it because at this point I was holding the iPod thing between my legs. Actually, I was holding it like that the entire time, except for the part when I was filing off the previous hard gel that I had on my nails. I'm doing a glitter nail and I tried to make it into a swirl, but you can't really tell on camera because I do clean up the sides so you could tell more that it was a swirl. But since the gel polish was also glittery, it kind of just like blended, and I could have done more coats of the chunky glitter, but I was like but yeah, I think when I try this base coat again, I will add cuticle oil and see how long they last like that. If y'all want to see that video, then let me know, because before this Makartt peel off base coat, I was just doing the regular peel off, with cuticle oil and top coat, and I was like, I knew there were peel off base coats like the hollow taco one. I know Madam Glam has one, but I had never tried them. Like, I just knew of them. Anyway, I am encapsulating. I only show y'all one nail, and I also don't really show y'all filing because the tripod was between my legs, like I said, and it was really shaky, the video was. So I was like, I'm not gonna put that on there because I tried really hard not to make the video shakier than it already was. I just finished up the encapsulation, and I thought I was recording on this part when I was defiling the cuticle area, but I wasn't. And I also don't show me filing, like shaping the nails, because it was shaking too much. And there's also gonna be little clips of me showing y'all the nails throughout the days that they lasted. So if you don't like vloggy videos, then after the top coat, y'all probably don't want to watch. But that's how they came out. I thought they were pretty cute. I'm just using a Makartt top coat, and I thought that was so pretty. But of course, it was kind of blurry. And I do go outside because the lighting in my room is horrific. But yeah, I will let y'all watch this part without my voice in it. So that concludes this video. Comment down below what kind of nails y'all want to see next, with chunky charms or whatever y'all want. Y'all can DM me too on Instagram. But yep, that is how they lasted. I didn't stop doing my chores and I didn't go easy on my nails, just because I wanted to see how long they would actually last and not just sitting around, because I don't sit around all day. I have things to do. But yeah, that is how long they lasted. So if you're interested, I'll leave the link. I'm not sponsored by anybody. I just buy everything myself. If you're interested in any of those products that I showed on the screen, I'll link them down below. It feels good to be back and a little bit scary, to be honest. We'll see how things go. I will be trying to post Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. But like I said, I'm married and I'm busy and all the time, but I really love doing nails. Hopefully this video wasn't boring or too long. I'll try to keep them short, and if y'all prefer me to talk through it and also have music or just music, y'all just let me know down below, whatever y'all want to tell me. Hopefully not any rude things. And there's my dog. But yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will be reading y'all's comments. Bye, y'all.